Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Dear students, today we will talk about normal English and bitter English. So don't waste the time and just start the lesson. We have first sentence in normal English. I'm very tired. In bitter English, we can say I'm exhausted. Dear students, please repeat after me. I am exhausted. I'm exhausted. So we have another sentence in normal English. Why are you so angry? In bitter English we can say, why are you so pissed off? Why are you so pissed off? So we have another sentence in normal English. I'm not interested in singing. But we could say in bitter English, singing is not my cup of tea. Singing is not my cup of tea. Please repeat after me every sentence. In normal English, we can say, sorry, I fell asleep. In bitter English, we can say, sorry, I nodded off. Sorry, I nodded off. So we have another sentence in normal English. I'm very busy. In bitter English we can say I'm swamped. I'm swamped. Okay, so we have another sentence in normal English. I'm very happy. In bitter English we can say I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon. So we have another sentence in normal English. Let's meet today. In bitter English we can say let's catch up today. Let's catch up today. Let's catch up today. So dear students, ये था आज हमारा टॉपिक. और अभी तक जिन दोस्तों ने हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ उन लोगों से हम्बली रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए ताकि आने वाले हर वीडियो आपको पहुंच सके. गॉड ब्लेस यू. खुदा हाफिज़.